I'm a scat man. I'm a scat man.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ryan Collier. This is Ross Foster, and welcome to the midweek review for February 16th, 2011. Today's sponsorship is Tide. Now, the stock of the week is Dell. I know what you're thinking. Ryan, really? You had Apple last week, Dell this week? What are you thinking? I don't know what I'm thinking. I know what I'm thinking. 13% up today. That's a lot. Now,
it's like one more than 12.
Dell is DELL in the NASDAQ for all you kids at home. Estimates were 37 cents per share. This week, 53. 53! That's like 16 cents. You don't get that wrong. This guy should be fired for having that. 37. That goes up 53. Last year in the fourth quarter, they were up 14.9 billion in their revenue. This year it was 15.7 billion. How do you not see? I'm gonna be okay. The stock of the week is Dell. Remember that. Today in world news, Egypt's president has resigned. I called it in September when his resignation was, or when his term was up, and he did. He resigned Friday.
2 days after you said September.
Everyone thought it, you know, you can look in hindsight and be like, ha 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 ha, this is so fine, Ryan Scoopman got it wrong. But no, I knew what I was talking about, okay?
For all you home gamers, as Ryan would say, he was off by like 10 months.
February to September is not 10 months. Thank you, Ross. Now, he will resign. They have their democracy. Hats off, Ross. Democracy wins again. That's what I'm talking about. Now, a lot of you are thinking, oh my gosh, they went from this total secluded to democracy. They didn't go from 1984 to democracy. They went from 1996-97 to democracy. They went from an authoritarian rule, which is defined as social organization, like a totalitarianism society, submission to authority, opposed to individualism and democracy, unelected officials, like totalitarianism. But it's different because social and economic institutions exist not under the government. So like I said, they didn't go from 1984 to democracy, 1997 to democracy. That's how they did it. Now, Mubarak's resignation brings up a lot of questions. We were such good allies with Mubarak in Egypt that we were like this. But now, since they have their democracy, we're kind of like, this might cause some problems because they don't agree with everything we agree on. But the good thing is Egypt's protest has inspired Middle East and North African nations in their protest, which is awesome. Let's put democracy everywhere, because this is America.
Put us on the map.
Put us on the map, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Now, for the big stock market. Thursday, Dow was down 10. Friday, up 43. Monday, it was down 5. Tuesday, it was down 41. And Wednesday, it was up 60. Excuse me. Anyway, that's awesome. If you're a mutual fund and you're a long-term stock, oh yeah, the market's up. But if you're a hedge fund, you want markets down, this sucks. This sucks. But what does this say? This says America's doing awesome. Their companies are doing great. Everyone's earnings reports and annual reports are just, oh, we're doing great. They're showing us that America is getting back on speed, and that's what I want to see.
Hard work, baby.
Hard work, baby. This is America, and this is the American dream. Now, I was Adele for you. I'm Ryan Collier. Thanks for watching the Midweek Review.